Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
For today's video, we are going to cook baked eggs. We need 1 whole red onion minced, 4 cloves garlic minced, 2 stalk onion leeks, white part only, sliced, and 1 small stalk for garnishing. 250 grams mixed vegetables. Cooking oil as needed. A dash of white pepper. A dash of patis. Pinch of salt. 6 medium eggs. Cupcake baking tray. Wax paper. Turner. Silicone brush. Pan. Egg beater. Preheat your pan. Add cooking oil as needed. Saute onion, garlic, and onion leeks. Onion leeks for garnishing. Add salt and pepper. Turn off the heat. And add mixed vegetables. Crack the eggs. Add salt, white pepper, and patis for umami taste. Beat the eggs. Grease some cooking oil on your baking pan. Put a wax paper. Grease some cooking oil on your wax paper. Put the beaten eggs. I transfer the baking eggs to a measuring cup for less spill. Put the vegetables. Bake it in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Let it cool on a cooling rack. There you have it, baked eggs. If you want me to be your culinary trainer, please see the description below.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.